Hello friends and welcome back to Cinnamon Sanctuary. Thank you so much for stopping by. It's a period of festivities at the moment with Christmas approaching, and at the moment I am thinking of Thanksgiving, which is imminent. So in honor of this day, I will show you my best cornbread recipe. Please stay tuned if you want to find out how I go about making this. In my bowl, I just added a cup of plain flour, 2 cups of corn flour, about 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, a bit of salt. Also going in with 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. We need a leavening agent. And we're now going to mix this all up. That's the dry ingredients done. We're now going to combine all of our wet ingredients. So we're going to get our bowl ready and add 2 cups of milk, and then we're also going to crack a couple of eggs. Now, I'm using milk for this recipe, but you're also welcome to use buttermilk if you prefer. I've used buttermilk in my cornbread recipe before, and it does work pretty well. We're also going to go in with 1/4 of a cup of melted butter, and then we're just going to whisk the whole thing until combined. Time to bring everything together now. So I'm creating a well in the middle of my dry ingredients, to which I'm going to add all of my wet ingredients, and once that's done, we can combine it with a whisk and ensure that we get a nice glossy consistency. And as always, if you haven't already, please hit the like button if you enjoyed watching the video so far. And if you are new to my channel, my name is c.à.c, and I make all sorts of recipes. I make a lot of African recipes, but I also like to make dishes from beyond. And I hope you join the family, so please do hit the subscribe button so that you never miss on another recipe. Thank you very much for the support. I really appreciate everyone's comments and likes and shares. I do appreciate them all. So without further ado, we can carry on with our recipe. So I just finished whisking the batter and we have a nice glossy consistency. Set it aside for now and get our skillet ready. Now, you don't have to use a cast iron skillet for this. If you have a baking tin, that works fine as well. But I wanted to show you what it will look like with a cast iron skillet. So I just put the fire underneath and I'm adding about a few knobs of butter. So I'm going to put the exact ingredients in the description box, so no worries about this, but this will amount to about 20 grams of butter, I believe. And I also added a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and when the skillet is nice and hot and your oil and butter are heated up, you can now go in with your batter. And you want the oil and the butter to be pretty hot, so you're almost going to fry the batter. Now we're just going to get rid of the air bubbles and flatten everything up, and the skillet can be popped into an oven that has been preheated at 280 degrees Celsius for approximately 20 to 25 minutes to be met with this golden beauty right here. In my case, it took 25 minutes, and I just inserted a clean knife into the bread, and if it comes out clean, then that tells you that the cornbread is done. So just turning this around to show you what it looks like on the other side. You want a nice crisp button, and I don't know if you can hear this, nice and crisp. That's exactly what you want. So this came out beautifully. If I say so myself, it's nice and golden brown, it's soft in the middle, and you just know this is going to be a pure delight to eat. And I'm just going to slice a bit off to show you what it looks like on the inside. But all in all, this is your perfect recipe. So easy to make, very quick as well, and a great accompaniment to many dishes. Or you can just have this for breakfast as well. I would have this for breakfast. I have this at any time of the day, to be honest with you. We really love cornbread in this house. We are massive fans. So just slicing up a bit. And as you can see in a second, and I'm taking my sweet time here because I don't want the slice to be messed up, but I'll show you right there. Here we have it. Yes, nice and golden. That's exactly what you want. You can tell it is nice and crumbly, but also soft. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Hit the like button if you did. Don't forget to subscribe. And I wish all of my friends in the US a really lovely Thanksgiving. We don't celebrate Thanksgiving in the UK, but you know, we can all be thankful for so many things. It's good to be thankful for all of our blessings and never forget what we have. So I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you very soon on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.